Skylar Layla. Skylar Layla.
What do you find, Dakota?
What did this say?
Let's get a look here. Uh-oh, it's two together maybe.
Mama.
This one's for me.
That one's for you. Okay, bring it, drag it over back over here by the dog and open it. Drag it back by mommy, honey.
Bob should have one for Skylar too.
Yeah, maybe at the same time.
There you go. I think that's Skylar.
Yeah, this is for you. Okay, okay, you two, bring it back over this way. Okay, Skylar, get the one at your feet. Don't.
Oh.
Skylar, right here. Skylar,
Okay.
there's your
now.
present.
Alright, put it up here. You can open it.
Okay, there you go.
Go ahead. You can open
Skylar, go
it.
ahead.
What do I get?
Yeah, do what your sister does. She might need an extra hand in there, Mom.
Here's Skylar. Oh boy.
What is it, Dakota? Lots of Crayola, crayons, markers. What do you got there, Skylar? Oh. What is it?
What's in there? Here.
Skylar, look at your present. Not your sister's, look at yours.
Oh, some more?
What is it?
What's in here? Dakota helped you. Oh, look, Skylar. Oh, my goodness.
What is it?
Oh, they're little ornaments.
Oh, wow.
Dakota, don't you want to look at yours? There, she found the monkey one.
Oh, wow. Monkey.
There. Oh.
Is that nice?
Oh.
Look what that was sky.
Let's see, what does it say?
Oh,
Oh, she's kissing it. What is that, Dakota? Something breakable, I hope? Not?
Just for sky.
Uh-oh.
Ow!
It's a baby first Christmas.
Skylar's first.
These are from last year. Yours, you have yours too. Wow, so pretty. See that?
What's that, Skylar?
Oh, how fun.
This is just for Skylar.
Now you can put it on the tree.
It's a Christmas ornament.
You can go put it on the tree. What's that, Skylar? A piece of garbage?
It was wrapped.
This is construction paper and markers.
Oops. It got a string.
Okay, get some more, Dakota.
Get some more presents, drag them over, I'll show you who's who.
Crayola Eco Revolution. Oh, this is cute.
Excuse me.
Oh, it's cute.
Who is this for?
Let me see.
Oh, sweetie. We'll put it up here.
It says to Dakota.
It goes to me.
It does. Oh, you better get in there and see what it is.
Let's go.
Don't we want to save something for Santa tomorrow?
Yeah, we will.
Ooh.
Captain Landy.
Oh, we saw this already.
Yeah.
This is actually really good.
Keep ripping.
Oh my, what is that? Oh my.
What is it, Dakota?
It's a Disney princess.
Oh, wow.
Is that from Santa?
Oh.
Who is that from, Dakota?
Can you help me do this?
You almost got it. Slip that over there. There you go.
Oh, this one.
No, it'll come out. See?
Oh. Oh.
Oh wow, look at all the princesses.
Can you get something that says Nana or Papa on it?
Look what I get.
Oh my.
Can you
Is
dance,
this
Skylar?
storybook
Skylar.
dressed up. Wow.
Oh, nice.
Activity, storybook. Oh, Skylar.
She's just enjoying the ribbons.
Put it on.
She's putting the ribbons.
Very nice, Skylar.
Ooh, how pretty girl.
This one.
Not gonna be all. It's gonna be interesting.
Oh, I wonder who's that's for.
This is for Lola.
Go give it to her.
It's a
Lola.
biscuit.
Lola. Lola, your treats. No, right over here. Dakota.
Oh, ow. Ow. Are you okay, sweetie?
Hey, I open these. Can you help?
I'm the camera guy. I can't help. Pretend I'm not here. Pretend I'm a lamp.
She's gonna go get all the ribbons. Oh, goodness.
That one's still attached to something.
Oh, you are too funny, baby. You would have put it on. It get kind of gonna strangle you, so we have to be very careful.
Okay, Lola, don't kick the kids down.
You got a character in the house.
Merry Christmas. Okay, say cheese. Cheese. Uh-oh, don't smack yourself in the face really hard.
So get all the ribbons, stick around the neck. This is funny.
Okay, I'm done with that one. Okay, there you go.
This one.
Merry Christmas, Lola. Hey, Lola got her present before I did.
All right.
Okay, yeah, someone's gonna have
Can we
to.
put the treats away now, honey?
Yeah, she's putting them away.
You like?
Pop.
I can't tell who this was.
Probably should put them around there herself.
Here, Dakota, why don't you see who's this from?
Who is this for?
Says to Dad from Scott and Dad.
Is it for you?
Must be for Kenny. Must be for Papa.
This one's for you, Papa.
Oh, thank you.
Open it.
Okay.
Open it.
Let me pan over here.
That's what it is.
I wonder what it is.
What is it? What is it? Open it. Open it, Papa.
Open it. Open it. What is it?
Oh, it's a sweater from Ralph Lauren.
Oh, very
Oh,
pretty.
nice.
That's for you, Papa.
Oh, that's nice.
Lucky Dad.
How pretty.
It is.
Now we can match.
Make sure that it fits though.
Who's this one?
Very nice.
Who's this one?
Oh, that is for your mommy.
Here, look.
All right.
It's just for you, Mama.
Thank you. Let's see who's this from. To Dow from Scott. Who's Scott?
Daddy.
Daddy.
Oh, thank you,
This
Daddy.
is mine.
I got a
What?
ring. Look, you want to open it and see what it is? Wow.
Those diamond earrings.
Don't lose it though.
Turn them around there. Those are earrings to put in mommy's ears.
Oh. Wow, look at that. It's so pretty. Thank you. We'll keep this. Maybe we'll put them on right now.
Okay.
Put them on right now.